Hello, and a Merry Festivus for the rest of us. I wanted to show off some SOLIDWORKS models and PDM admin work that I think Frank Costanza himself would approve of. In a collaboration between Vandelay Industries and the Human Fund, Money for People, they have decided to do a production run of aluminum poles in the spirit of Festivus. SOLIDWORKS makes it so easy this holiday season that you won't have to scream out, "Serenity now!" to relieve the stress. We'll take a look at our real view graphics. You can see here that this aluminum pole, it's perfectly shiny, unlike tinsel. I do find tinsel distracting. When we look at our vault, we can see that we have the Costanza effect workflow here, and we currently need to set up the aluminum pole to move it into the next state, which will of course be the airing of grievances, where we will create a drawing for our aluminum pole and stand that we can send out to our importers and exporters, also collaborating with Vandelay Industries. Go ahead and start that drawing. Add a couple views. Make this pretty quick here. Nice thing about the airing of grievances is that we can tell everybody all the problems that we've had with them this year. When we check the file in too, now that we've finished the drawing basically, it'd be nice to note that we do have a custom data card here for the Human Fund, set up with a nice portrait of George Costanza. We'll punch in some information that's pertinent, that we find tinsel distracting, checked in by admin, project name Festivus pole. But the real thing that we want to note here is the material. Of course, this is aluminum, which has a very high strength-to-weight ratio. This is good to tell dinner attendees who find your belief system fascinating. Now that that's complete, we're going to go ahead, check it into the vault, and move it through the workflow again to the final Festivus state, which is, of course, the feats of strength. Now remember, George, it's not over until you pin your father. And with that in mind, Trimac wishes you a wonderful Festivus for the rest of us and a happy holiday season.